Meaning of gas mask.
Gas mask.
Gas mask.
Gas mask.
Gas mask. A gas mask is a protective device designed to shield the user from airborne contaminants and toxic gases. It typically consists of a facepiece, filter, and straps that secure it to the wearer's head. The purpose of a gas mask is to prevent harmful substances from entering the respiratory system by filtering out particles and fumes. They are commonly used in industrial and military settings, as well as in emergency situations such as fires or chemical spills. Gas masks are an essential piece of safety equipment that can help protect against exposure to hazardous materials.